Okay, we're going to do a quick video here walking through the Persona Connect mobile application. What you see on your screen is the mobile application as it's open. And you'll notice across the bottom down here, we've got contacts. This is your voicemail icon. This is your chat icon. Next one is your call history. Then you've got some menu items down here. Also this red button, that's your dial pad. If I click on that on the telephone, pops open a dial pad. Close that back down. I can sort my different types of contacts here, hitting the drop down, and I've got some options. At the end of the video, I'll bring up the QR codes for both the iOS and Android operating systems, as well as provide a link taking you to the written documentation. So I'm going to go ahead and hit on the voicemail icon down here at the bottom. When I do that, the listings of your voicemails will show up. If there's transcription available, then it will show along here. I can click, and at that point, I have different options across here for my play, save, forward, information, delete. I go to the chat button. Your chats are for doing internal chat, and the system does support SMS. The next icon over is your call history. And that just gives you a list of all of the calls that you made, inbound, outbound, and missed calls, and they are identified by the different arrows. The next button over is your menu. Inside of here, this is where you can select your separate greetings. Select, and that will change your active voicemail greeting. And that's all I really wanted to run through quickly on this video. Thanks for watching, and your QR codes and written documentation link are provided next. This is the QR code for the iOS operating system for your Apple phone. This is the QR code to use with your Android telephone.